It's Thursday, so let's get geeky on a very smart animal kingdom. We start off tonight with everyone's favorite insect, the ant. Researchers at the University of Switzerland individually barcode tagged every worker ant in an entire colony and then tracked them with a computer in order to learn how they were working together. Over 41 days, the team of researchers tagged and studied 6 different colonies, each with more than 100 carpenter ants. To better observe them, the ants were placed in flat, easily filmable enclosures. The ants were constantly filmed by overhead cameras, which allowed the researchers to gather 2.4 billion readings with a total of 9.4 billion different interactions between the ants. After 41 days of studies, the researchers were able to make some pretty amazing conclusions. Turns out that of the ants studied, nearly 40% were nurse ants. These ants tended to stay with the queen ant and her brood and cared for the younger ants. 30% of the ants were foragers. They were responsible for gathering most of the colony's food. The remaining 30% of the ants studied were the colony's janitors. They cleaned the colony and visited the rubbish piles that other ants had created. And it turns out, much like humans, the ants moved between jobs as they got older. The nurse ants tended to be younger, and the janitor ants, which were typically younger than the forager ants. But ants aren't the only surprisingly smart species in the animal kingdom. According to new research, the roving coral grouper, a species of predator fish usually found near tropical reefs, uses sign language to help other predator fish species detect hiding prey. This is the first time that a fish has been known to make specific signs that alert other fish to an object of mutual interest, according to the study. A group of biologists from Switzerland and England studied how the coral grouper worked with 2 other species of hunting fish, the giant moray eel and the Napoleon wrasse. The grouper had burst speed to capture prey in open water, while the eel can slide into places where small fish hide. And the wrasse has powerful jaws that can suck out prey from various hiding places or even smash the reef around it. When these fish work together to find prey, the coral grouper has 2 sign language signals that it uses. The first is a kind of body shake that it performs in front of the moray eel as an invitation to join in the chase for prey. The second is a headstand, in which the grouper performs to indicate to the eel or to the wrasse that prey is either hiding nearby or that it was last seen in that location. The researchers carried out 187 hours of observations of groupers in the wild in reefs off Australia and Egypt. So while humans may be the smartest members of the animal kingdom, at least we think we are, I'm not sure about dolphins, there are many other species out there that are a whole lot smarter than we may think.